What's up everybody, Sean here from Air Photography. So I've got an interesting accessory here for the Insta360 X4 that some of you might find interesting. Now I'll include some tighter B-roll shots just so you can get a better look at it. But what it is a magnetic mount that connects to the bottom, and that makes it compatible with the DJI Magnetic mounting system. And somebody like myself who is heavily invested in that magnetic mounting system, this makes connecting the X4 super easy. I'm a big fan of magnetic mounts when it comes to action cameras. I'm moving them around constantly, so that just really makes it a lot easier. Now, as mentioned, I will show you some B-roll footage that is a little bit tighter of a shot, but it makes it so easy. Right now, I'm just going to put it on my handlebars. Connects just like that. It works great in 360 mode, just like that, or if you're going to be using the single lens 4K mode. Then perhaps you want to move it out front. In this configuration, just straight out, you can film in 360. Everything will be invisible, including the thumb screw. But the nice thing is too, you can also bend it up if you want some extra distance, if you want a wider shot, if you're going to be filming in that single lens mode. Take it off, and it even mounts to a magnetic chest mount nice and easy. So it is a really useful accessory. Now, as a bonus, this will also fit on the bottom of the Pocket 3. That's actually what I'm filming on right now. So if you want to be able to use your Pocket 3 with the DJI Magnetic mounting system, you can just attach this to the bottom and it will work just fine. Now, this wasn't specifically designed for the X4. I do believe it was designed originally for the X3, but it fits the X4 just perfectly. Now, when you get it, it just screws into the bottom 1/4-20. It comes with a screwdriver that you need in order to connect it. It's on there very securely, so there's no way that's coming off. When this is attached, there's still a 1/4-20 at the bottom, so you can easily attach it to an extension pole when you need it. But it also has fold-out GoPro fingers. So if you want to attach it to a standard GoPro mount, you can do that very easily as well. And that can be very beneficial because if you're using this camera for vlogging, you've got it in single lens mode and you just have it out on an extension pole, you need to be able to tilt it up. Otherwise, it's going to be filming at a weird angle. You got to hold your arm out. So having those built-in finger mounts allows you to tilt the camera when needed when filming with the single lens mode. So definitely a very useful accessory. Now, I ordered this directly from the Ulanzi website. I couldn't find it on the Canadian Amazon. I will look again if I can find it on the Canadian Amazon or US Amazon. I will link it down below in the description of this video. When I ordered it from the Ulanzi website, it took about 8 days to get to me, so that's not too bad. The only thing is when ordering from the Ulanzi site here in Canada anyways, unless you're over a certain amount, I had to pay like $20 in shipping, which was almost the price of the product, which is a little bit annoying. So definitely I will look on Amazon because there at least you get free shipping. So yeah, that is the Ulanzi magnetic mount for the DJI system for the X4 or X3. I'm not sure about the X2, it might work there as well. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Hopefully you found this video had value. Give it a thumbs up if you did. It's always greatly appreciated. And we'll see you in the next one.